Hello everybody, I'm Human, the CPO at Sonibel Instruments. We have a new product that catches your weld defects in real time. We have a clip-on sensor that listens to your welds, and in case its defects come up, you'll be notified on screen. I'm now going to simulate a defect for you. Start. All right, so as you can see, the main portion of it, 25% through 95% of the weld is all defect. And looking at the actual weld itself, you can see it's the second part here. There's quite a bit of lack of penetration going on, especially on the lower half of the weld, the lower leg of the weld.